I bring just pointers that you need for your sewing life to be a little bit easier as a beginner. So I just want to give you a few pointers, and these are coming from the questions I get daily. Now the number one thing is, you guys are always asking about armhole being too big. Girl, you have the option of making it smaller. Now when something is too big, what do you do to it? You downsize, you make it smaller. And how do you do this? Go ahead and place the tape on your armhole or the armhole of a client or whoever you're about to make that outfit for. Find out the measurement you're supposed to work with. Now, once you have the measurement, place your tape on the armhole on the fabric and mark that particular measurement you just got on the armhole of the person or yourself. Once you have it, you will know the excess you need to take in. Girl, go ahead and take it in. It's just going to look better. If it's a top or a dress or something that needs to be bigger and you have the armhole tight. Another option, you should have allowance. As a beginner, don't forget to always add your allowance. You need it, okay? It will save you. Like, that is your saving grace. Allowance is. So yes, you should have allowance. And now if you have allowance left on the fabric, all you have to do is loosen up the seam you have, take it out, and then sew this back, and this is just going to give you a freer armhole and you're good to go. Now the next pointer I have for you is people telling me that when they want to make a tight outfit, they end up getting a free outfit, and when they want to make a free outfit, they end up getting a tight outfit. What do you do in that situation? Okay, so when you want to make a fitted outfit, you have the option of, while you're about to sew your two fabrics or your two pieces together, the front and the back, you can place your tape from one point to the other point, from this side to this side. Find out if you have the measurement you're supposed to be working with, and if you have it, indicate it in the middle and leaving the excess at the side, or you can just divide and know what the excess is and just mark it on the side you're sewing it in, and then sew your pieces together. And this is going to make your outfit look fitted. When you just follow that measurement and you sew on them, you're just going to be having fitted outfit. And if you want to free, make sure you have enough allowance. If it's too tight, loosen it up, girl. You have that option. Loosen it up and then sew on the extra allowance you have, and this is just going to open this thing up for you, and you're just going to be free, just like what I'm wearing. Okay, so these pointers are going to help you in your sewing life. Let me know in the comment section if this was any help, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much. Expect more tips from me from today onwards. Like, a lot of goodies coming. So bye.